Uh,
Meanwhile, this is what's happening to black children in our neighborhoods.
Hey, so all right. So apparently, my video yet going viral again, saying that ICE is detaining kids. So they're using that picture, which is my video of me and my son playing cops and robbers.
row.
Listen,
Oh man, come on, come on. Now this has 1.6. This is our girl Stephanie over here. The video where the comp is like, no, this is me playing cops and robbers with my kid. This is what we should be striving for. Dads in this community playing with their kids. But nope, 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 nope. You guys under a psychological weaponized Democrat op over here, and no, you're gonna get. Now look at this. They arrested Blake.